Welcome to AJTech. Today we'll be learning how to create a web link through PowerShell. So this is a script. So we will be creating a web link for AJTech YouTube channel. Go to File and save as .ps1 file. Click on Save. Go to Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Go to Devices. Go to Script. Click on Platform Script. Click on Add. Select Windows 10 and later. We will put the name web link. Click on Next and select the file. Paint a note and select yes. Click on Next and add the consent group. Click on Next and create. And after that, we will check on the client PC. In the client PC, we can see the AJTech web link. So if you click on the web link, it will be redirecting to the AJTech YouTube channel.